Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Apple Tech Review. So today we are going to site. We are going to site to do inspection for camera installation. We have already done camera installation. If you haven't watched that video, go and watch it. Yeah, we have also done many videos about types of cameras. So today we are going to site to check. So let's go. Drive with me. We reach at the site, we do inspection so that you can understand how we consider these cameras. So guys, we are here now. We are at the site. We have reached there. This is the customer's compound. This is the house. Yeah, actually this is a mansion, you understand. So we are here now. We are going to start. We see how many cameras you will need. I know most of the clients, you have to first make sure you do 360 security or camera surveillance. That's what we have to consider first. So whatever we are going to do first, we are going to first focus on 360 degrees camera surveillance. You make sure that each camera connects with the next camera, so that when they rotate the house like this, you can use the same cameras to monitor the fences. But we have some other barriers where you cannot see the fences, but I will take you through. I show you how we can navigate through that. But client today, he doesn't want cameras inside the house, but he just wants only single camera to monitor in the sitting room. But he doesn't want to put in all bedrooms, just sitting room. He doesn't want many cameras inside. So let's proceed. So guys, now we are here at the site. So we talked with the client. Client told us he wants cameras that monitors the whole fence. Whoever passes behind or in front can be watched. So now here we are checking the corners of the house, whether when you are standing like in corner, can you manage, can the camera monitor the whole, like a single camera, can it monitor the whole sides? So now we had to check. You have to make sure you consider before mounting the camera. You have to consider and make sure that the camera you're going to mount in one area, where will it stop? Will it monitor? And as you know, when a camera is mounted on the wall and there is another corner after that wall, it cannot cover that area. So from that, you have to add another camera. So as you can see here, this house has a lot of designs, that is corners. So like where we are standing here, there is that corner that needs us to put another camera. Like now here, that is in front of the house. We had to position a camera that will monitor the gate directly when you are entering, when you are in the compound. But also we shall go to the gate, we also put other cameras. So here we have considered one camera in front, and also beside the house here also we have put another camera that will connect with the one we put the other side. Yeah, so he has also these backside houses, and they also act as defense. So meaning we have to consider putting a camera behind these backside houses, so that when someone comes from here, actually we didn't notice that there is a corridor here. Also this corridor, someone can enter from there, so we needed also to consider this area. We know there is a camera here that covers behind these houses, so we had to go back and check how long is it, because we have different types of cameras. We have these 20-meter lengths, we have 40. Yeah, so from there we had to consider 40-meter, because the house is the fence behind is wrong. So now we have went to the gate. So on the gate you have to monitor someone who is parking outside. Someone who is parking outside has to be watched. Someone can come, knock, or use the bell. You have to, I don't know whether this client will use the bell with a camera, I'm not sure, but before that you also put a camera that can help him to monitor the gate. So there we are checking when you're standing here, can a camera. So we had to consider two cameras, one to monitor the right side, another one to monitor the right side. Most of the gates we consider and put 3 cameras, but this one needed 1 camera, guys. So that is it. Catch you in the next one. Now here we are leaving, we are going back. Yeah, we have finished. Catch you, see you in the next one.